up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove those chapped lip, those cracked lip, those dull and those really disgusting lip, where when you actually remove all of those dead skin cells on your lip, it's going to result to your lip looking really pink and really beautiful, really soft and also kissable. Yeah guys, so if you want to know what this is, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and let me take you right into the video. To scrub out those dead skin cells and make your lip really pink, you're going to be needing to use sugar. Alright, and in this you can actually use brown sugar or white sugar. Now sugar is a great scrub. It's a wonderful exfoliator which helps to promote or remove dead skin cells from the lip, and it is a natural lip exfoliator. It refreshes and removes all clogged pores on the skin, and it's also a natural humectant that helps to leave the lip really pink. And then you're going to be needing to use honey. Now honey is a natural antibacterial property which is great for acne treatment and prevention. It's great for an aging skin because it helps to slow down the aging process. It is a complexion boost. It's going to help to leave your lip really looking pink, and it's also a great soothing and moisturizing remedy. And then you're going to be making use of lemon. Okay guys, so this is actually my local lemon. Our lemons here is usually green. Okay, that's why you see my lemon looking green. Now lemon provides a dose of free radical fighting antioxidants to the skin, which helps to keep the skin even toned and help boost the body immune system. Lemon contains an astringent property that helps to motivate the pores and close your large and open pores, which helps to create a glow and a softer skin. Now you're also going to be making use of vitamin E capsule, or if you don't have a capsule you can actually use the vitamin E oil. Both does the same work on the skin as well as the lip. Okay, now using vitamin E capsule for the lip is going to help your lips stay healthy, stay moisturized, stay smooth and stay pink. Now how we're going to be doing that is that we're going to first of all be needing to cut in this lemon, and for this lemon we're going to cut it in slices just like this. About 2 slices will be enough. So we'll be needing these 2 slices set aside, and also we'll be needing to squeeze in about ½ teaspoon of the lemon into this bowl. Alright guys, so after doing that we're going to be needing 1 full tablespoon of sugar. Alright, so we'll be scooping in ½ teaspoon of honey. Now ½ teaspoon is perfect guys. Now you can do away with measuring all of this if you want, but for me I just love my measurement to be accurate. Okay guys, now you would have to press in the vitamin E. I'm pressing all of this goodness into this remedy. Now you would have to stir it all up. Now remember we have lemon, honey, vitamin E and sugar. Now if you want, you can actually use the brown sugar. Of course the white sugar is more easy to get. So you have to stir this properly. Let all of the ingredients mix together and mix really well. So you're gonna stir this really good so that all of the ingredients would mix together really well. And this is perfect. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how you're going to be using the slice of this lemon. Okay guys, so here is going to be your scrub. Alright, this scrub, you can actually use it for like 3 to 4 times in a week. You don't necessarily need to use it every day. Okay, now the reason why you can't use it every day is because the lip is actually very soft. It's actually softer than the skin, so you don't need to scrub it every day, otherwise you're just gonna bruise your lip, or you know, it's just like, yeah, and then it's gonna be pepperish when you are scrubbing every day. So you grab your sliced lemon and then you dip it into the ingredients just like that, and there you go. Okay, and then you would have to take this and scrub your beautiful lip just like mine is right now. And then you scrub it. Scrub the upper part. I'm going to be taking the second one, of course, because I need it fresh. And then you scrub again. So use your hand to scrub. Now, the reason why when you scrub this, you're going to notice that your lip is going to get pink and pink by the day is because it's going to remove all of the dead skin on your lip around here. Okay, and your lip is going to be looking really pink. Consider. Okay, scrub. And then you would have to hold it for like 1 minute, 60 seconds at most, and then you go wash it off. Okay, and then you clean it up. Okay, and there you go. Now your lip is going to be hydrated, it's going to be really soft, and you would have to always moisturize it. Okay, now you can use olive oil to moisturize your lip. Okay, that's it. Olive oil, yeah, or you can actually use coconut oil to moisturize your lip, or vitamin E oil. And on your lip, make sure that your lip stays hydrated, stays moisturized. That way you're going to achieve your results. And woof, there you go. So look at how my lip is. Really beautiful. Yeah. You have to always leave your lip moisturized in the morning and in the evening. That way you're not going to build up chapped lip, cracked lip, and all of those stuff on your lip. Okay, so that's it guys, just like I scrub. Now sometimes you can actually use your toothbrush, you know, if you can't use your hand. Okay, because sometimes I usually use my toothbrush alongside with this natural remedy plus a little bit of paste. Okay, and it does the job really good. It scrub out the dead skin cells and make your lip really soft and of course pink. Okay, because when you remove all of those dead skin going on your lip would begin to get pink. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you soon guys. Bye.